Let us look at this tree and we see. Many of you have been asking, like, how can one do jackfruit as a business? How can jackfruit yield? So this is how we can benefit from jackfruit, or this is how we can gain from jackfruit. So you just offer more ffene, more. Come and look. So let us look at this fruit. As you see, we said after like pruning, we do this branching. We have these branches. So now you're going to look at each branch. As you can see, this is one branch, this is another branch, the other one's there. So at each and every branch in a week, you are going to just harvest only one fruit. That's to say, you're going to take this fruit. It's still young. I don't say that we are going to remove it. So we're going to take only one fruit from each branch. So from each branch, when you harvest one fruit, considering only 4 branches, that's this first branch, second branch, the other branch. Though the tree can have more than 4 branches, but we're only going to consider 4 branches. So when you pick one fruit from each branch, that means you're going to get 4 fruits from each tree. So now we're selling at a garden price of 3k. That's 3,000. A garden price of 3k. So when you have we harvested 4 fruits in a week from a tree, that will give us 12,000. So mtiziga tu mtwalo gumu mwenkumi bili from each tree. So literally, when we harvest these fruits for a month, those are the 4 weeks. Okumala weeks nya. Tunoka kumutigu feguneno. So in 4 weeks, that's 1 month. So we shall be getting the 12,000, that's the 12k times 4. It will roughly give us the 48k. 48,000. So wetuba tunogoma kumutigu wa feguneno bifene byaffe mu mwezi. Nga buli wiki tunogako bifene byaffe bina. Okumala weeks nya gwe mwezi gumu. Natwa tufune emitwalo 4 mu kanaana. We're going to be yielding 48,000 Ugandan shillings.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.